In this video, I'm going to explain how many high-ticket dropshipping sites you should build at once and over time. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and notify buttons just below the video so that you'll be the first to know when we release weekly dropshipping goodness. So a question that lots of people ask us when they first start out with dropshipping is, should I build like 2 or 3 stores at the same time, to find out which one will work best for me? Answer to this question is a solid no. Do not build multiple dropshipping sites at the same time, particularly if you're doing it for the first time. And there's a few reasons why I say that. Number one is that if you make mistakes, you will make them across each of the stores, and then you'll have to fix them across each of the stores as well. Some mistakes take quite a bit of time to unpick, and so doing it multiple times creates an unnecessary waste of time and a lag on your progress. Number two is that starting multiple sites splits your focus. And when you're starting your first business particularly, you need to make that your sole focus if you want to move at a decent pace and make it successful. Now, a single high-ticket dropshipping site can make it to $10 million per year in annual revenue. So there's no need to have multiple sites from a revenue perspective. And number three, if you follow the right process for building and launching your business, you don't need to test multiple ideas at the same time to find a winner. If you do it right, like we teach in Dropship Breakthrough, you will land on a winner on your first try. Now, having said all of that though, there are definitely appropriate times to start a second or a third high-ticket dropshipping business. Being in a few different niches is a good thing from a diversification perspective. But you never go after diversification until you have made one thing successful. So the right time to start and run multiple dropshipping businesses is after you have developed a single site to a reasonable level of success. When you know the systems and the processes that you need to put in place like the back of your hand, and then you also know what to avoid. So, if you'd love to learn how to start your first high-ticket dropshipping business, head to dropshipbreakthrough.com/go and watch our free training that will show you how to identify your first profitable high-ticket products to sell.